What's poppin', everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So for today's video, magre-react tayo dito sa magre-react tayo dito sa Queendom Divas na kinanta nila yung Anak by Freddie Aguilar. And my twist, it's a stunning multilingual renditions. Okay, so multilingual. So I am excited and interested kung ano-ano yung mga lengguwahe na gagamitin nila or renditions para dito sa performance na to. So with no further ado, let's jump right into the video, and do follow me on my Facebook, TikTok, and on Instagram. And if bago kayo dito, please subscribe, like, and comment down below. Okay? So, let's go! Gusto ko yung flute na effect. Parang Mulan. Very dramatic. Para talagang movie, no? OST. I just love yung emosyon na dinala niya sa kanta. The way she delivered that phrases, yung lyrics na yan, that was awesome. Ang ganda. Ang galing ng tapon. At ang nanayan. Yung modulation, no? Grabe, may hugot eh. I love it. Hindi lang siya beauty, hindi lang siya vocal quality, but yung puso ni Julian kapag kumakanta, andun talaga, no? Ulitin natin for the last time. I just love it, man. Nice. Good job. What? That was beautiful. Galing nung harmony ni Julian. Yung pag-harmonize niya sa melody ni ni Rita. That was so good. Ulitin nga natin. Grabe. Very delicate. Yung soft tones. Swabing-swabe. Very Julian yung sayo. Tapos pinapaano niya dito sa nasal niya. Yan yung isa sa mga technique ni Julian. Very nasally din siya minsan. Oh, Thea. Spanish ata to eh. Del Mundo daw. So, Del Mundo, di ba, merong corned beef na Del Mundo. So, feeling ko Spanish to or Mexican. Ulitin nga natin. The vibrato. Tatakteya yan.
solita responde, mate el vita e yo.
Effortless. Grabe din yung power talaga ng boses si Jessica. Pakinggan nyo paano niya inakyat. Ito, sustained note. Tapos binali. Tapos biglang nag-open. Contest na contest yung dating, bardagulan. Kasi kanina, kay Rita tsaka kay Julie, 'di ba? Ano lang, suabe lang, very delicate, no? Very ano talaga yung puso, yung emosyon. Ito naman sa dalawa, I'm not saying na wala silang puso, but yung mas pinapakita nila dito, yung vocal prowess, yung high notes, kung paano nila laruin itong anak. Okay. Jessica, given naman na talagang, man, she's definitely a power belter, no? And Thea is one of those versatile na mga performer or singers, no? Na narinig ko and nakita ko. But I think Thea really did good sa pagsuporta sa melody ni Jessica, no? Mas may cohesiveness yung suporta niya. And that's very good, no? Napantay, hindi man sila parehas na ganung kataas ng key, the notes na kinanta nila, kasi nga, melody and harmony, no? Magkaiba naman talaga yan. But, the same yung energy, the level of energy na pantayan ni Thea, man. Grabe. Uy, Hannah, let's go. English. May napansin ba kayo kay Marian tsaka kay Hannah? Pagka bumirit sila. Kasi, kay Rita, Julian, di ba, suabe lang. Bardagulan naman yung pangalawang pair na si Jessica at saka si Thea. Pero itong pangatong pair, no, talagang may vocal control. I'm not saying na wala yung apat na nauna walang vocal control. Pero dito, mas na-showcase nila, no, yung medyo, kontrolado talaga, no. It's not loud, no. Yung pagka-belt nila, it's not loud. It was may finesse, may control talaga. Tas kapag bumirit sila, no, it's not all over the place It's may direction talaga yung pag-belt nila. It's in front of them, no? Ganun, nasa front yung boses nila. May direction talaga, no? Talagang pagka audience ka, pag ikaw yung nasa sa front nila, talagang madadama pa talaga yung energy. Yung part na yun parang na-remind ako sa Encantadia. Yung intro ng Encantadia. Taas ng boses ni Jessica, man. Pakinggan nyo mabuti, Ayun, taas, Ganda ng vocal split sa ad-libs, no? Yung iba't iba yung sing in chorus pero iba-iba yung parts na kinakanta. And I believe may naririnig akong iba-ibang lengguwahe na kumakanta sabay-sabay. Oh, meron nga sabay-sabay ano. Parang ano lang, Christmas song. Galing. Nice. That was very nice. Very entertaining. Kudos sa GMA sa pagbigay ng assignment na ganito sa ating Queendom Divas, na at least na meron challenge naman para sa kanila na kumanta ng song or version or rendition na iba yung language na ginamit. And it was spectacular, no? Ipinakita nila na they're up for the challenge and they really brought their A game sa performance na to. So, good job sa lahat. And I was really, entertained kasi mas nakita natin yung quality ng bawat isa. No? Yung style nila andun pa rin, no? Katulad kay Thea, tatak, yung vibrato talaga ng Thea, tatak Thea talaga yun eh. No, kahit di mo pa nakita, narinig mo lang yung isang vowel, like the vowel sounds, no. Pagka mag-vowel sounds, dun yun mas gumagrabe or mas ipinapakita ni Thea yung vibrato niya. So, we can really hear the quality of their voices and sa kanilang mga styles. Julian, medyo nasally, 'di ba? May mga techniques na talagang sa kanila lang individually, no, natin na maririnig. And it was a treat to everyone na nakikinig or nakinig at nanood dito sa performance ito. It was very good. Good job, man. Good job. So, yeah, that's it. And hope you guys enjoy the one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you all. Peace.